tiny little bit of a bevel on this side here. Don't do that. We can see that edge start to mirror up. Very, very nice. Now it's really getting right in there. I mean, that sucker is, you can see the difference each time. Alright, so let's get some goody on that. That one down. Get this one going. And I'm just running it back and forth, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this variable speed is really, really nice for this. Because then I can do this on this one, and that one for the other one here. there already where it's shaved sharp. Okay, you still need to do the polish, so go ahead and take some pictures of that. Much better. I know we won't be cutting paper after we do the polish, so don't get on me about that. I'm just showing you that the amount of drastic improvement that we've had. So now this is going to be the purple, this is the extra fine, this is the super polish that we do here. This is what just cleans everything up and makes everything all nice and tidy. Okay. We're going to do the Kershaw first. One, two, three, 4, there she is. Nice and polished. Feel along the whole edge. Make sure you should feel about the same grab on a fingernail. And of course, it will shave the crap out of the hair right off ya. That is razor sharp right there. Okay, have a couple pictures of that. Okay, that is now as sharp as it will ever need to be for a utility knife. Okay. All right, now let's do our razor. Okay. 5. 2. 1. And then I do actually flip it around and go this way, but I'm ultra careful about doing it because I can see that edge rolling over. It needs to be taken away from the blade, otherwise it's going to continue to roll back and forth. I've been doing that through each belt, so just keep that in mind. Just be ultra careful or you'll cut the belt and possibly cut yourself. That, my friends, is ready to shave just about anything. Ooh, man, that is just sickly sharp. And easily shaves the hair off your arm, easily shaves the hair off your face. And you can go one step further on either of these. Definitely have to do it with this one, but you'd want to strop. So you'd want to take this to your strop and you'd want to strop, and really get that polish on there. But right now. This video today has been brought to you by HL Flake, locksmith supplies for locksmiths. Get all your locksmith supplies at hlflake.com, wayneslockshop.com. I personally show you all of the videos, tips, and tricks for locksmiths that I cannot put out in for the public to view. Framin key machines, made in the USA, the strongest, toughest, most durable, accurate key machines on the market today. Check out framin.com. And Toronto Webworks. If you're a locksmith or you have a small business of any kind, Toronto Webworks both built Wayne's Lock Shop and advertises for my own personal business, TriCountyLocksmithService.com. They are the best. Call up Josh. Check out TorontoWebworks.com. Thanks for watching. Wayne's Lock Shop. We strive to be the leading resource in tips, tricks, and educational videos for locksmiths. Videos are added every week on topics ranging from rekeying high-security locks to marketing your locksmith business and everything in between. Safe openings, car openings, installation tool reviews, and bypass methods are all plentiful on this secure website built by and for locksmiths. If you are a locksmith and want an inexpensive resource that will prove invaluable to you and your business, then Wayne's Lock Shop is the place for you. Please sign up today at wayneslockshop.com.